Sorry about that. I accidentally hit the wrong button. Bad girl. Bad. Sorry about that. Why? Why? If y'all didn't get the rest, I'm going to get you how to start. Oh. Continuing. Hold on, let me get a second. I'm going to go ahead and put these dogs in. Okay. And then you're going to come down to my other channel. Mom, go on. Come to my other channel, which is Blake's Gaming. I'm trying to think of something for the new merch and all that. I want new merch, so it's probably like Preston Unspeakable, Dak Blake even. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do this. Alright, see my hand? I'm gonna get it. So this is one of my other ones. So you have to hit the brake all the way down, and then pedal back up to 6, and then so yeah, it's very easy to start one of these up. So yeah. This is very easy to drive and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and park it, and that'll be the end of this video. So yeah, see y'all next vlog, man.